Hey everyone! Welcome back to Review Earth. Today, we are diving into the world of multifunctional pressure cookers. If you've ever wondered how to simplify your cooking process and save time, you're in the right place. Let's explore what makes these kitchen gadgets a must-have, how to use them, and some delicious recipes you can try at home. So, let's get started. First off, what exactly is a multifunctional pressure cooker? Well, it's more than just a pressure cooker. These devices combine several cooking methods into one machine. You can pressure cook, slow cook, sauté, steam, and even make yogurt, all in one pot. This versatility means you can create a variety of meals without needing multiple appliances cluttering your kitchen. Now, let's talk about the benefits. First up is time saving. Pressure cooking can reduce cooking times by up to 70%. Imagine having tender beef stew ready in just 30 minutes. Next is energy efficiency. These cookers use less energy than traditional cooking methods, which is great for both your wallet and the environment. And let's not forget about flavor. Pressure cooking locks in moisture and enhances flavors, resulting in delicious meals every time. Plus, it's perfect for meal prepping. Cook once and enjoy several meals throughout the week. Using a multifunctional pressure cooker is super easy. Here's a quick guide on how to get started. Asterisk, begin demonstrating step by step. Asterisk. 1. Add ingredients. Start by adding your ingredients. For this demonstration, I'm making a simple chicken and rice dish. 2. Select cooking mode. Next, choose your cooking mode. I'll select pressure cook and set the time for 10 minutes. 3. Seal the lid. Make sure to seal the lid properly. This is crucial for building pressure. 4. Start cooking. Hit start, and let the magic happen. The cooker will take a few minutes to build pressure before the timer begins. Now that you know how to use it, let's talk recipes. Here are 3 easy ideas you can try at home. 1. Beef stew. Toss in chunks of beef, potatoes, carrots, broth, and seasoning. Pressure cook for 35 minutes for a hearty meal. 2. Vegetable risotto. Sauté onions and garlic first, then add arborio rice and broth. Cook under pressure for just 6 minutes for creamy risotto. 3. Chili. Combine ground meat, beans, tomatoes, and spices. Cook on high pressure for 15 minutes for a spicy treat. Before we wrap up, here are some quick tips for getting the most out of your multifunctional pressure cooker. 1. Don't overfill. Make sure not to fill it more than 2/3 full to allow steam to build properly. 2. Natural release versus quick release. Know when to use natural release or quick release based on your recipe for best results. 3. Experiment with recipes. Don't be afraid to try new recipes. There are tons of resources online. And there you have it. A quick guide to multifunctional pressure cookers and some delicious recipes to get you started. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more cooking tips and recipes. Comment below with your favorite pressure cooker recipe or any questions you might have. Happy cooking!